It's party time! Here's a margarita cookie decorating tutorial. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So this is one of the first ever cookie decorating tutorials I ever filmed. So it's a little bit awkward. I did it in a square format, so bear with me, but the process is the same. You want to take your royal icing, and it would be preferable to use about a 15-second icing, and slowly touch down and lift up and outline the entire margarita area of your cookie. And then I'm going to flood this in using the exact same icing. My icing is usually about a 15-second royal icing consistency, as I mentioned, but in this case it looks to me like it's more like a 10-second consistency. I'm going to need to be careful that it doesn't overflow the edges here. Just go ahead and fill in your entire margarita, and then set it aside to dry for about 10 minutes until the green icing has crusted over, and then you can come back in and outline the stem of the glass with your white royal icing. Flood that in as well. And use a scribe or toothpick to pop in the air bubbles and to smooth the icing and get it out to the points. And then moving up to the lime on the edge of the glass, I'm using a dark green royal icing here in about a 12-second consistency, and I'm just going to put a thick border around the outside edge of this lime. And then I'm going to immediately grab my lime-colored royal icing and fill in the interior. And I apologize for my hand always being in the way. I hope I've learned a few things about videoing cookie decorating tutorials since I did this one. Once your green icing for the lime has been flooded in, go ahead and grab your white icing and immediately touch down and drag a line and go just inside that dark green line we've already piped around the outside edge, and go all the way around, laying your icing down right into that wet green icing. And then starting at the corner of the margarita glass, go ahead and section off with the triangles of the lime. This is a wet on wet effect, and when it dries it will be one solid flat surface with no areas of separation between the colors. And one last bit to do on this lime, make the little seeds. So just make a dot with the darker green icing, and then use your scribe or your toothpick to draw it into a teardrop shape, and do that in each one of the triangle sections. And then set this cookie aside to dry completely. And once it's dried completely, you can come back in with your white icing and do a thick layer around the outside rim of the glass, and that's where we're going to put our our salt. And because the hole in my bag is pretty small, I'm going to go around it twice to give it a nice thick layer. And then I'll grab my sand and sugar, and we're just going to sprinkle a little bit on and brush away the excess. And I'll leave links in the description for all of the products I used. And that's it. Our margarita cookies are ready to eat. And here's cheers to kicking off the start of the summer margarita season. And if you stuck with me to the end, I thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you find it helpful and fun. And if you're celebrating Cinco de Mayo, I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye for now.